Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota RAV4 2018 updated. Start by warming the engine briefly, then park on level ground and set the parking brake. Secure the vehicle with jack stands if needed and place a drain pan under the oil pan. Remove the oil fill cap to improve drainage, loosen the drain plug with a 14 mm socket, and let the oil drain completely before replacing the filter and refilling with 5W30. After locating the drain plug and removing it, allow the old oil to drain fully into your pan to avoid spills. Take the time to inspect the drain plug gasket and swap it out if it's damaged to prevent leaks. While the oil drains, remove the old oil filter with a filter wrench, wipe the mounting surface, and lubricate the new filter gasket with a bit of fresh oil before installing it hand-tight to the manufacturer specification. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car guides. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers for neat, no-drip lunches during long projects. They save spills and keep your tools and snacks separate in the garage. I use them to stash rags and snacks without worry. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the oil has fully drained and the new filter is in place, reinstall the drain plug and torque it correctly to prevent leaks. Slowly refill the engine with the specified amount of 5W30 oil, then use the dipstick to confirm the level is within the safe range. Start the engine for a minute, look under the vehicle for leaks, shut it down, recheck the level, and follow the owner manual steps to reset the maintenance light.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.